Yo, what up? I'm Jamaican.
Hey team, Carl here, Redbeard Recipes. Today I'm going to go through a tomato, pepper and honey dip that I made. Remember the Italian pasties I made? Pop a video up somewhere. It was to go with them. I've been meaning to get it done for ages, but I'm really busy and important, so been struggling to get it done. Hope you like it, and let's get you started.
Interview mit Harrison Ford.
Alright, first thing is first, we need to roast off our peppers or capsicums. So I'm going to drizzle a little oil over, pop them in a baking tray and throw them in the oven on around 180. I'm going to slice up 2 red onions and sweat them down. You can use brown onions, I just have red to hand, with 1 tablespoon of crushed garlic. Give it a mix. We're then going to core our 8 tomatoes and then roughly dice them up. You see our onions are now caramelized. We're going to take a little bit of wine in there as well, so half a cup of red wine. Deglaze that pan, give it a mix. Then add the tomatoes in with a big heavy pinch of salt and some fresh black pepper. In the meantime, we can take out our capsicums, and you can see they're all charred up and floppy. Put them in a bowl and put a cover on. That'll help to get the skins off. Make sure they're cooled down and don't go in like me and try and do it super fast and be a hero.
Oh, it's warm. I like it warm, but I don't like it this warm.
You can put a little bit of water on. That'll help get the skins off as well. So we want all the skin off and keep the flesh of the pepper. So the tomato sauce is all reducing down nice. We're going to tip those peppers in, give it a blend, and add the honey as well. We'll be adding about 2 tablespoons of honey. Just get a nice bit of sweetness running through it as well. So that's what we did for the dip for those pasties. Also, I'd made a lot, so I had some left over. So I used it in a bit of a bolognese dish as well. So if you're looking for something a little bit different for your pasta, you can use it as well. Hope you enjoyed it, guys. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.
Get that up, yeah.